So today we'll discuss about how to write the class code in the different classes. Up to now, we discussed to write everything in a single class, okay, different methods in a single class, and we are calling one method from another method, right? So now you can see how to write code in different classes, those classes how to communicate. Okay. Just for example, I'm taking one simple application, calculator. Okay, simple application calculator. See the simple class calculator. Okay. Here I want to write addition method. Okay. I want to write division, multiplication, subtraction, all four operations. Okay. Just tell me one by one how to write addition. Just I have two numbers. I want to take input as a two numbers. Is it clear? And return sum. Okay. Just tell me that syntax, method syntax, how it will be. Please open up method syntax. This is comes under which type? We have discussed four type of methods. Method with argument, without argument, with written type, without written type, like that, right? This is
and with argument.
What is that?
With written type and with argument.
Okay. Okay. Just tell me the syntax. How to start this?
Main method, public static.
Very much later. Just I want to the method which take two inputs and return the sum. Okay, and write void sum int
into
I,
A or into C.
I comma I taken aj. Okay. Then int sum equal to I plus j. Return
And sum.
sum. Okay, then sum. So is it correct syntax? Anything mistake here?
Yes, you need to write a SOP, right? You are using void. You are not using data type as a thing over there.
That means I told here, plus just read this line and tell me what is the mistake here. I need to write SOP. I have to just change something else.
You need to write SOP here.
Okay, read again. Any other answer?
If you are using void type, there is no return type for that one, right?
That's fine. That is fine. So just read this line. This is the requirement. Take two numbers and return sum.
And then you can change the return type of public instead of void. You can use int.
Right. Okay, clear, right? Same thing, subtraction also. Same syntax, public int. I'm taking subtraction. Int I comma int j. Okay. How to write subtraction? I. Is it correct? No.
I minus j.
Is it correct?
No, wrong.
What is wrong? It is run.
I minus j.
Yes, I minus j.
Put into I minus j.
Okay. Next one is multiplication. Okay, just I'm writing multiplication code. Public int multiplication. Yes, I taking okay. Int a, comma, int j. This one, I think this is no errors, no mistakes.
A into j.
Yeah, you
Any
are
mistake?
taking into
Yeah, tell me, no problem. Tell me what is saying?
A into j.
A into j. Okay, fine. Same division in the same method. Okay. Up to now, no errors here. Any errors you found here?
no.
Okay. This is the 4 methods have this class calculator. Okay, calculator class have 4 methods. Sum method, subtraction, multiplication, division. Just save this first. I'm saving in the D drive, Java training. .java. It is saved. Okay. So calculator the class contain of 4 methods. I want to call these methods from outside of this class. Okay. If I run this class, just try to run. What will happen if I run this class? First, I will compile. What is the command?
C space file name dot Java.
Why are you saying some errors? Please check what any mistake we did. Okay. This spelling mistake class. Okay, save this. This is one error into J somewhere. This space required. Okay. What you understood? After that data type, we have to give some space between the variable name. Fine. Save this one again. It is compiled. No errors, right? Here it is compiled. If I run, what will happen? First, JVM Java, what will check if I try to run any class?
Main method.
Main method, right? Is there in the class? No, it is not there. So it will give main method not found. So what I will do, I will take a new main class. Okay. Client main and I say the client class. From the client class, I will call these methods. All of these methods are all instance methods only. So I have to call these methods by creating the object. Okay, let's take another class. Class calculator client. Okay. Here I'll take a main method. What is the main method syntax?
Public static void main. String array.
Okay. Okay, fine. I'll try to save this class. Cal client. How to save here?
calculate dot
Dot.
Java.
Okay. Okay, fine. So I'll create object of calculator dot class in calculator client class in main method. How to create? Which object I want to create?
Calculator,
Calculator
C
C
equal.
is equals to new calculator.
new calculator.
Okay, up to now object is created. Object is created means for all these methods, the memory will be allocated in the memory, in the RAM, I can say. Okay. Memory is allocated means it is ready to use. How to use that? With the object reference. Object reference in the sense memory reference. See that sum. First I'll pass 10, 20. Okay. What it will return? It will print or it will return some value. After calling the sum method, what it doing? You take the inputs 10, 20, I equal to 10, j equal to 20. Then I plus j, I plus j equal to 30. 30 value will go to sum variable. Directly written the sum. Okay. If I try to run this class, it will print the value 30 or not? It will print or not? Understood? Not understood?
Yeah, I understood.
I'm calling the calculator method. It is sum method. Okay. By providing the two input arguments 10, 20, it will print the output, the value sum or not. It will not print because just we are calling. We are calling means it will go to the sum method. Okay. It will take the give two inputs. Okay. I value is 20, I value 10, j value 20. It will do a sum and assign to sum variable and return back. After return back, it will come back to here. So we are not printing anywhere. Just calling that method. Okay. How to print? Anyway, this method is returning
Copy
to.
of C dot sum.
Okay. I will take another way. I will take sum. Yes, I'll take yes. Okay. Instead of sum. Okay. Whatever the sum method returning the value of sum. Okay. That value I'll capture to s variable. Now I'll print yes. Okay.
Now it will.
Now it will print or not?
Yeah, it will.
It will print. Okay. Like that same, I have to call the subtraction also. Okay. What is the method name here? I will pass 20, 10. So what it will print? Not clear. Subbu, what it will print? Lokesh, Karthik,
Doesn't
10,
it will return the
10,
it will print 10.
How can it will?
10, 10.
It will print 10 value. You are saying
doesn't print.
it will not print. Just it will call a subtraction method. Subtraction method take the two inputs 20, 10. Do subtract 20, 10. The value is 10 value that is assigned to subtraction. Again return back to that here. After returning, where we are printing? We are not printing. First, we have to capture. If int sub. So now sub value is 10. If I print now sub value, it will be print value of 20, right? Okay. So it is, I'm printing that value, subtraction, sub value. So what I want to ask, I have to compile the both classes or I have to compile calculator client class because I changed only one place. I changed only in this class only. I did not change anything in the calculator. calculator class is already compiled, did not change anything, but I change only this class. So which class I have to compile now? Both required or only one class? Because
Only one
wherever the
class for
change,
that
wherever the
calculator.
change we are doing, any small change, even space also, that particular class compile is required. So whichever is not changing, that class compile not required. Okay. Calculator client.java compile this compile. Now run this calculator client. Now run this. See 30, 20. Okay. Instead of printing the plain value, I'll do some meaningful message. Sum is okay. Okay. Now I change something here. Which class I have to compile? Both classes or one class?
One class.
Only one class. Okay, you see that output. Same way I have to call remaining method also. Multiplication. I change here instead of MUL, I'll take multiplication complete name. Okay, I change multiplication. So I change something in the calculator class .java. Now I have to call this method from here. C dot I'm passing 12, 15, 10. So it will not return anything. Right. Okay. So I'm calling that multiplication method. It will call internally, go to this class. Value is 15, this is 10. A into J, 15 into 10, 150. Multiplication value is 150. Return this value. After return, it will come to the output is multiplication. This I want to print here. How to print? System dot out of println. Yeah, fine. Now, which one I have to compile? Only one class, two class.
Both class.
Why both class? I change something. Both class or only one class?
Both because we changed to multiplication.
Okay, method name is changed. So something I changed in the this calculator class, so I have to compile both classes. So if I try to compile both by using the Java C command, it is like one or two classes is fine. If I try to compile more than two classes, example like there is 100 classes, some change is there. I have to compile all the classes. It is a complex, right? Compiling one by one. So like for that, you can use star.java. Compile everything in this folder. Okay, compile every class which is extension with the .java. Now run this application. It's clear, right? 150. How to compile all .java files at once? The Java C command.
Java space star.java.
Yes, Java C space star.java. Star means everything. It extends now .java files. Okay. So multiplication all completed. Next one is division. Okay. I'm taking the division 10 by 2. Output is okay. Now what is the output? Ten by 2. Something mistake is there. Division. Okay. Division is 20. Why it is 20? 10. You compile again. Five. Okay. There is some compile issue. So we got output from subtraction, multiplication, division. Here, main thing we have to know not about calculator, giving input, getting output. It's not about important topic here. Here we are calling one method of one class from another class. Okay, calling the calculator methods in the calculator class file. That is the important thing. Is it clear how two classes will be communicated?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here one more thing. I want to make these two. First two are instance methods. Last two I want to make a static methods. So what is the static method? Static methods memory will be allocated whenever the class loading first time, whenever the class using first time. This point I already told in the previous class. I want to call these two methods. Do I need to create the object? Directly I can call with the class name. So for the multiplication and division, do I need to object for this object reference? No, directly we will call with the class name.
Class name.
Yes. If you see the previous points, yesterday class, I told instance methods we have to call with the object reference. Static methods we can call with the directly class name. No need to create an object. Okay, just check this is correct or not. Is working right? Is it clear? Okay, just to highlight the more points here. This class calculator has the four methods: sum, subtraction, multiplication, division. So sum method what it will do, but if we give the two inputs, it will do sum and return back. Okay, what the multiplication will do, take the two inputs and return back the multiplication. So what is the class? Class contains the multiple methods. Not only methods, it has multiple things like blocks. Okay, instance block, static block, kind of thing. What that will do, whenever we call that method, it will do some operation. It will return the response. Okay. Now we'll go for the actual subject, string class. What is the string class? Will go. Okay. Up to now we discussed the data types. How to represent the value of number. How to represent number? What is data type? Please respond. If you respond here, no need to learn much thing in the after completion of this class. What is the data type for the separate integer number? Number 10.
Integer.
Int, sir.
Int. Okay. Fine. What is the representation of the Boolean condition? This is character. Is correct?
No.
Then what is the correct value?
True is
That's
inverted in single
equal
inverted
to
comma.
It is a
Boolean.
okay. Like that. Up to now, we discussed to represent the integer number on Boolean condition, character conditions. But how to represent the words or lines? This I want to represent. This is the Java class. How to represent this? So here char will work. It will work or not here? It will not work. So to represent the sequence of characters, this is not a single character, it is a sequence of characters. For that, we have to go for the string. Okay. String, we have to use double quotes. For character, single quotes. This is the string. Clear? Then on top, string is a class. The string is a class, not a data type. So integer data type, boolean data type, character data type, but string is a class. So what class contains? Just now I told what class contain. Internal class have which ones?
Variables and methods.
Variables and methods. Like that same string also inbuilt class given by Java to represent a sequence of characters. String class also have some methods, different methods to work with the string objects. Let's take simple example. I want to convert everything into uppercase. How to convert into everything in uppercase? So string class already have internally method. Uppercase. Okay, just call this the output. It will return back everything in the uppercase. Okay. String class also have that another method, lowercase. What is lowercase? What it will do? It will convert everything into lowercase. It is already lowercase, so there is no difference. Just for example, here we have a capital A. Okay, so everything is same. Just let capital A will be converted into lowercase. Okay, it will not think anything about like a one. This letter is single. Sorry, lowercase. This is uppercase. Not think like that. You will try to convert everything into lowercase. This lowercase method. Same as uppercase. Okay. String class contain another method, length. What is the length? Length means how many characters are there in that string. How many are there? 4, 6, 7, 7 for 11, 11 for 15. It will give 15. 15 characters are there. And also string class contain another method, substring. Substring means we have to give the starting index position and example start index. End index. So this is a string class object. It has a sequence of character. Each character has internally has own position. This is the first, second, third, fourth, like this. Everything has every character has one position. Just for example, the space. This is space. Space also has a one character. So space also occupy one index position, right? Is clear? Clear index position?
Yes.
Simple. I'm representing one number, sorry, one string here. This is hello, like this. This is a string. Okay, just example, this is a string. Here, each index has its own, so each character has its own position. This is a 0th position. E is a 1 position. L is a 2 position. Another L is a 3 position. This is a 4th position. Total, how many characters are there?
5.
5. How to get this? Total, how many characters are there? No need to count. You can just call the length method. If you call length method, it will give the output 5. If you call the uppercase, what it will give? Everything convert into uppercase and it return back. And lowercase, convert every character into lowercase. Substring means we have to, if you want to extract only these 4 positions, only E, L, L, O. What we have to do, starting position is 1. End position we have to do 4. Internally what it will do? Internally, it will start from 1, end -1. End -1 is 3. So output will be E, L, L. This is the substring functionality. Is it clear or not? I will explain again. Is it clear or not? Please answer everyone. Substring is very important, very important in the real-time application also. Just ping in chat if you are not understanding. Yes, I'm going taking same example. This is the S string S equal to Java. Okay. If I try to convert everything uppercase, what will happen? Right? Lowercase means length. What is the length here?
4.
4. I think you are confused for substring. Substring just we have to give the indexes, like we have to extract a substring from the original string. How to extract? We have to give the positions. Every character has a position internally. This I want these 3 letters. How to extract? We have to call S start string of starting from 1 end -1. End -1 means it will give what will happen? It will take internally 1 to 3. You are more doubt in that, just make here end. Okay, just take another example. Boot. In this Spring Boot, here it is a space character. Okay, this is a space. Don't forget. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, space 7, 8, 9. Total 10 index positions. This I want to extract only. I want to extract. How to do that? Something. Now tell me that boot start from where? 7. Ends where?
Index -1. That means
So we have to give 11. If you give 11 internally, it will convert to -1. That means 10. 7 to 10. What is that? Boot. Okay. Another example.
Here I have one doubt.
Okay.
You are mentioning end index -1, right? That
Yes,
means
yes.
end index value is the 10th or 11th.
End index is 11.
11. Okay, that means 11 minus 1, 10. So the next index will be also there, but it will not show by looking, right?
Yes,
Every
correct.
time there is another index will be there for to getting.
Correct.
Okay, okay.
Because why we are taking end index minus 1? Because just we'll see one more example. See the rest immediately Java. Here JPA. There is no space. I'm giving index positions 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, rest Java 8 and 10. Okay, 10, correct. Okay. First thing, what is the length here?
11.
What is 11, right? It is 11. This I want to extract the Java. This I want to extract. Then tell me what is question. From start where?
1 index.
1, 2, 3,
4.
from 4. End with
7.
end with. So internally it will come Java 7, Java 4, 7. 4, 7 means these things. I have to give end and end. Sorry, this is the end, right? Sorry, I told in my. Let's take one example anyway. 1 second. So here only just I'm calling last one equal to Java string. I want to print from Java 4. I have to take, if I take from 8 output, I think smartly. Something. Okay, let's compile this. Yes. Okay. Why it giving error? The S variable already used in the top line number 5. Yes. SPRI. Okay, we got 348 RI. Just rest spin. Okay. Compile this again. Java you got. Okay. So how here just take what I given 4, 8. If I give 4, 8, internally it will do 8 minus 1. So we have to give index 1 also. Okay, I told you, but it's a plus 1, sorry. Okay, we have to give end 1. Let's take another example. I want to take only rest. Now tell me.
0, 3.
0, 3. 0, 3 will be only
Java.
Then what it will do? 0, 3 means 0, it will break. Not understanding? Please. 0, 3. Compile this. You got only array yes. Whatever I told, we have to give end plus 1. So if you give 4, minus 1. If you give 4, it will do minus 1. That means 3. Still not clear?
Clear.
Clear.
Okay, now I want to extract JPA. These 3 things.
8, 10.
8,
8, 10.
8, 10 means what internet do? It will do 10 minus 1, 9. That means 8, 9. 8, 9 means you only 2. I told plus 10, whatever we want up to plus 1, plus 10, plus 1. Yeah.
But index position up to 10 only.
Index position 10 because it started with 0. If it started with 1, it will go for 11, right? That is why. So we have to give up to plus 1, whatever we want up to plus 1. Okay. The one more example. I want V. Now what is the position here?
2, 7.
2, 7. Let's check this. 7 will give or not. S to V. Got right? Simple example, simple to understand this. Up to what we want, what position we want. I want up to A. That means we have to give up to R2. A means what we have to give? 0, 8. Okay. Internally, it will do minus 1. That means it will come 0, 7. I think now it is clear.
Yeah.
Okay. One more example is there. One more method is there in the substring also. Substring only. That is substring of only the position. You the only begin position. What will happen? From begin position to till end, it will give the output. It will return back. Okay. Just example. I want here that output as from J2, from Java J2. I want everything. Then that case you can do substring of 4. It's clear? Just see example. Giving substring of 4. That value directly. Dot. Str dot. Compile.
Double quotation.
Four. What is 4 location? Java JPA, right? Up to 4. Everything. Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we have some more methods in the string class. Those will go one by one. The next one is trim method. What is trim? Trim method, what it will do? Any string, just for example, space, 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 Java space end like this. See the one string str1. Okay. In between after Java, before Java, there is a lot of spaces. Even one space also fine. If you want to remove that spaces from starting and from ending, not middle words. Okay, we can use trim str1 dot trim. What it will print? You return the value. Only Java. It will remove all the spaces from start that word to ending to that word. Okay. Take another example. I have one word Java space. If I try to trim this, what will happen? Nothing. It will trim only. No, it will trim only that ending spaces and starting spaces. If it's starting any space are there, trim, it will remove that. Okay, any ending that will trim. But between the words, it will not trim anything. Trim means starting or ending, not middle. Okay, clear this? Do you need one more example? String str2 equal to the Java class space. This I want to trim this. What will have what the output? This the Java class. After the space will be removed. Between the words, the no space will be removed. That is the concept of trim. But I think all these things I explained here. Most of the methods in the documentation. Okay, the methods are not okay. String here. You consider length method, substring method. Okay. Next one we'll go for character. Character. What is the character? By seeing the word, you can understand. Character. Okay. Character. This is simple to understand. Yeah. Take this example. Java. Hello. So what is the position? It will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, space 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I want the character which is present at 5th position. What is the character at 5th position?
H.
H. What is the character at 10th position?
0. O.
10th position. 10th position. We have only up to 9, not. Okay. So error. Okay, if you ask that position at 4, this space. Okay. If I want to get that character in that specific position, we can use the character at position. That written the character one. Yes, for example, char str dot char at str char at I'll give 4. I'll give 4. What it written the? What is the 4th position? So in this REST JPA Java, what is the 4th position?
J.
Position is
J.
Okay,
J.
that's correct. Yeah. If I give that character str dot length, in this case, try to understand, try to think first. So this length written what?
Size of the string.
Length written what?
Give you the whole length, right? And I can.
What is the whole length? 4, 4, 8, 3, 11. Total 11 will give. So str dot caret 11. What is the value?
At 11, no, there is no value.
Give the error. Okay, that is a output. So if I give the length -1,
It will give O value.
length -1 I'm giving here. Length will give that 11, -1 means it will give the 10. What is 10 value?
Oh,
A.
Go. Check once. Where is the bow?
A.
A. It will give the A value because this is the 10th position. 11 minus 1, 10. 10 means A. Okay, that is the caret. Next go for index of. Index of. Now we given index position, return the character. So in this case, next case, we'll give that index. Sorry, we'll give the character. We'll give the character. We'll ask which position the character is there. Just for example, str dot char at. Sorry, not correct. Index of. I want index of this particular character. No, tell me. Sorry, not C. You will give that T. T in which position?
in the position for third position.
T in
That
third
means
position.
fourth
Written
position. That means fourth
the
position.
T. Okay, 3. Okay, fine. Next, I want that character at Z. Z is in which position?
No, there is no.
There is no Z.
Wait,
So
wait, wait.
you will return -1. -1 means negative value. Negative value means the character is not found in the given string. Okay, that is the index of functionality. Next, character completer contains. Contains will okay. We'll see contains very important. So next thing is contains. Let me know anyone is not understanding this string class methods because it is very, very important. String is very frequently used class in our real-time applications. Str dot contains. So str value is rest to Java JPA. I want to check in this string there is any word Java. Is there or not? In this str, the Java word is there or not? It is there. That's why it will give the true. Okay. Another example in the str, there is any the word the the. Any word is there in that str string?
No.
No means it will give the false. Simple solution, simple example. There's no need to discuss much. This is, it will check the given word is there in the corresponding string or not. Okay. Just take a simple use case example. In our, I'll give one PDF or any text file. In this text file, lot of lines. It will be maybe 1000 lines. Example. Okay. In this 1000 lines, I'm asking to read one by one each line. Just check there is any word happy. How to check? First, we will read each line. on the each line we'll assign the string. Okay, on the string we'll call contains happy. If contains happy means we'll increment one value. Count equal to 1. If it is found again, count equal to 2. If found again, count equal to 3. Okay, is it clear? The value written true means the word is present. The value written false means it is found, not found. Not found. Okay, is clear? This kind of use case you regularly will face in Java applications. Okay, next example, index of completed, contains completed, and ends with start with will check. Okay. Start with just to check the corresponding word corresponding line started with the. Okay, the corresponding word is started with the or not. No, right here. Return of false. Next, str dot ends with JPA. Is it true or false?
True.
True, because str is okay, start with ends with simple methods. Okay, there is one more important method, split. Just I take another example, str. Hello, hi, how are you? Okay, by seeing this, how are you understanding like how many words are there in the string? How many words are there?
Five words, right?
5 words are there. How you are saying 5 words?
By separating the spaces. Special no, there are not.
Total 19.
No, total 19. Maybe you are saying characters. I'm asking only words.
By separating the words by with the help of space.
Yes, by separating the space, you are saying there are 5 words, right? There is one more example I'm writing here in the down, str5 equal to I am a good this is the str5 word. Just I want to ask him same question, how many words are there?
I am not.
How many words are there here?
One.
One. So when you ask like when I ask question like how many words are there, how I can say how many words? It's on the space, it's on the some character like that. So here you are saying 5 words. How? Because you are saying by splitting the word with the space. Here also I'm asking the by splitting with the underscore, just tell me the how many words are there.
5.
5, right? Okay, same like in the programming, how we will get this? Just split this by space. Okay, it will give the array. I think array concept I may not cover still yet. I will cover. After getting array, we have to call how many elements are there totally, length. It will get totally how many words are there. This is also same. str5 dot split underscore, split with underscore. After getting array, we have to call only the length. Just forgot about length. Just only think about the split by what. Here I am splitting by space in the str4. After splitting by space, it will give that each word. Hello, hi, how are you? Okay. On top of that, it will give a call length method. It will give the total count. Same here also. I'm asking to split with the underscore. Okay. If I remove underscore one place, now tell me what is the count. Now how many words are there here? 4. By splitting the underscore, 4 will come. Same like to split in the Java, any letter, sorry, any line, any word, we can use that split method on top of string. Okay, that is like we have a split method. We'll go some more like any is empty are required. Okay, just is empty means I'll declare one string.
Hello, sir.
str6 equal to str6 dot is empty. What is empty? Is the corresponding string is empty? That means no characters are there. Is correct or not?
True.
So in this string, there is no characters. There is no character means it will give the true value. Just another example. Now, if I call same s1 dot is empty, it is true or false now. It is false because there is something in that string. There is some spaces. That is why it is a false. This is not empty. There is something there in the string. Okay, that is called is empty method to check that corresponding string is empty or not empty. Okay, these are few methods in the string. Okay, I'll share this file to you. Just go through that. Just before that, just send me your mail list in the chat. I will take and I'll give the access to this file. Okay, this file contains that whatever from last 3 days we are discussing that all material is there. Just go through that. If anyone not understanding, I'll give more clarity. Try to read this all these points. Okay, just send your email address here in the chat. This string class very important. Tomorrow first at least 5 minutes I'll ask all the questions only. I'll ask by everyone by each name. We had to give answer. It is very simple. No need to think much. By seeing the word only we can tell. Just simple example. Character. What is the meaning of character? Character at which position? If you give the position, we have to give the character. Contains. It have some keyword or not. Then start with, end with, split. These are very simple, right? Substring. By seeing them only we can understand what is the functionality. The meeting link will be same for next up to this weekend. Okay, you can join the same link only.
Okay.
I got 3 email addresses to know. Okay, you can send me in WhatsApp later also, that's fine. Okay, this is about string class mostly. Okay, later, like I will tell you like what is the string buffer, string builder. There is many classes to represent the sequence of characters. Okay, this is like example string str equal to somewhat we can declare like this. And we have another class string buffer SB equal to new string buffer. Okay, to represent a string, we have multiple approaches. We have up to now we see one only. We have multiple things. String builder, another one is. Okay, this I will tell you tomorrow. Like before coming tomorrow, just go through that all these methods, string class methods. Then only you can understand this string buffer, string builder. Okay, clear?
Yeah, clear.
Today I'm stopping here, but by tomorrow you can focus on the all these methods. Okay, then we'll go for next topics.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Bye for today.
Thank you.
Thanks.